My name is Daniel Scott, and I'm the founder of the Matrix Real Estate Investor Network. And the Phoenix real estate market is really booming right now. This is the fastest market I've seen since 2006. So the time to get into real estate deals is now, to start finding those fixer-uppers and getting them on the market. I teach students how to get in, get out, and get paid on real estate investments, and this is one of our projects that we're at right now. Okay, so welcome to the Matrix Real Estate Investor Network, and thanks for coming out for our Friday afternoon club. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at one of my projects, because the Matrix Real Estate Investor Network, we actually get involved in real estate. We don't just teach, we actually do. And that's kind of our working agreement with all of our students, is that we're going to take you through our projects and we're going to show you, how it's done basically. What we teach you guys is on the ground tactical real estate, which nobody else is teaching. We teach our students to get out on the streets, drive the neighborhoods, and know the neighborhoods and find them. Not just looking on the internet, you need to get out into the neighborhoods. And so one of our students actually drove across this one. It was a duplex. Those things aren't really in demand right now. Three bedroom, 2 baths are what's in demand, right? And so I ran the numbers. We picked this up for $53,900, and I figure we're going to put about 40 into it, so we'll be at what, 99 all in. But what attracted me about this house, if you look around the area and see all the beautiful mountain landscape and all of that, and pan the area, and then look over here, we got the mountains up here. We've got a lot of really nice houses. We're right on the edge of a nice neighborhood, so we're going to try to sneak this one in and get a good price, because everybody wants to live near nice neighborhoods, right? Just in my initial analysis, I knew it was going to be a total rehab if I was going to do something like that, right? We had to replace all the plumbing, all the electrical, a new electric box, and spring is the selling season in Phoenix, Arizona, right? So I think that we can get anywhere from $139,000 to $149,000 and net $30,000 to $50,000. So that's pretty exciting to me. What do you got? Because that's kind of that needs some trimming. All right, so right now we're on drywall, in the drywall phase, right? Right here was one of the living rooms of the 2 units, right? And over here is the kitchen. And this side we're actually keeping the living room and the kitchen. So we're going to have all new cabinets, all new everything, windows, you can see where the air conditioning ducts have been run. We've got some recessed lighting. So, we like to try to keep it nice but affordable, right? And then if you come on down the hallway, expand the size of the bedrooms, because they were kind of small back in the day, right? They made them a lot smaller. If you look in here, we've got our family bathroom, and we're just putting the shower tiles in.
Oh, so you converted it to a walk-in shower?
Yeah. Yes, you did.
Nice.
And then we have a laundry room here, which they didn't have before. And then the other bedroom is right here. It's pretty nice. You got a little extra space here, right? And over here, if you step aside, I'll show you. We've got our master baths going in, and this is another walk-in closet.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dan.
Yes.
I'm wondering, did you convert that from the former kitchen to a bathroom because the plumbing lines were already
Correct.
there, so it saved money?
Absolutely, that's exactly what I thought. Well, there's already plumbing there, so let's make that the master bath right there. So, and we picked this side of the house for the master bedroom just because there's not 2 streets, there's only 1 street, so hopefully it'll be a little bit quieter.
How long did it take?
It's been good 4 months. But there's, permitting sometimes that takes a long time. So probably about 30 days of that was permitted. And once you get the city to sign off on it, then you can start the work. So we're still moving forward. We're waiting on I think we're going to get our inspection next week so that we can get our electric hooked up for SRP and all that. So that kind of stuff you got to plan ahead for. I mean, you could easily spend $10,000 just on air conditioning. You don't want to do that. Right? You've got to find the guys that are hungry and that want to work hard and make it. They make good money, but they don't have to make more than you do on the house. Just keep interviewing contractors. There's tons of them out there. Find one that's hungry. Find one that wants a lot of work. And yeah, so once you find a guy that you can trust, hopefully you can keep him as long as possible. I have really good deals on packages. You get a brand new double door refrigerator, a washer, a dishwasher, a glass top stove, and a microwave for under $2,000, included with a full price offer. And then you get a full price offer. Because if they're already sitting there, then they're going to still try to talk you down. But if that's the negotiating point, the wife's going to say, you better not come down to that. If you're competing against other people, time is a variable, cost is a variable, you know, inspection periods, that's a variable. So when you guys start making offers in a fast market like this, keep that in mind, keep me and Fred in the loop, because that will give you an advantage. You're making a cash offer, not dependent on any kind of financing. Now, we do have the cash, but we're probably still going to use financing, but that's guaranteed financing, which is the same as cash. You know, sometimes you get realtors that don't understand that. When I say cash, what am I really saying? That it's guaranteed money and it's coming to you right now. I mean, as soon as we close that deal, it's coming to you.
And just to let you know too, is on the way here, I got a call. One of my students, Cheryl, has a house that they want to get rid of because the owner died. So there's a lot of room for us. So what we're going to do is go ahead, put that under contract, get everything taken care of, and you know, it'll be some good money.
What really good investors do is they get in front of all the other investors when they're buying houses. You got to find the owner. Because you got to realize the owner is in distress. He needs help and he doesn't know what to do. We know what to do. Then you got to work with the bank. That's a nightmare, guys. Absolute nightmare. And so we're gonna end up cashing that house out for him so he can pay off his other bills, and then he doesn't have to do the bankruptcy, right? That's what advanced investors do.
Well, real estate is probably the best way to invest your money and get a good return continually.
And I feel that this is a very positive way for women to make money.
I chose to get into real estate because I worked for a construction company for the past 4 or 5 years, and I got tired of working for someone else. When you're an investor, you're working your own schedule, your own time, and that's where the big bucks are.
We've been involved in real estate for the last 20 years. We're entrepreneurs at heart, and we love business. It's truly the most unique training and development opportunity that has truly facilitated us.
We have the knowledge, it's just a matter of doing it and have somebody actually do it with us the first few deals.
The reason I chose this house really is because of the equity that I got. In fact, I don't really care what neighborhood we're in or what the prices are. All I care about is the equity. So what you want to look for in a house is a house, you want to find the ugliest house in the nicest neighborhood, right?